Driven by global carbon peaking and neutrality goals, human society is accelerating toward full electrification. As a world-leading innovator in new energy technology, CATL is committed to delivering top-tier solutions and services worldwide. As the world's largest lithium battery site, CATL Sichuan represents not only the highest level of the new energy industry, but also a benchmark for Industry 4.0 implementation.
Facing rapidly growing demand for high-quality batteries and our commitment to dual carbon goals, CATL Sichuan has built a world-leading smart lithium battery production site on an Industry 4.0 foundation. Our intelligent production and operation system sets a benchmark for the smart transformation of the new energy industry.
Aligned with CATL's group strategy, CATL Sichuan systematically develops its smart factory based on Industry 4.0 technologies. Supported by 8 key enabling technologies, ABCDFGR, the factory established an ultimate smart manufacturing architecture with deep interaction across multiple platforms and systems.
Through extensive application of AI tech, including deep learning and computer vision, CATL Sichuan enables interoperability among diverse AI solutions. We are reshaping the industrial ecosystem with smart connectivity, bridging the final gap in applying AI technology to industrial scale models.
In lithium battery production, a single production line requires multiple machines to operate simultaneously to ensure output, with equipment accounting for about 60% of total energy consumption. This led to the development of the Production Energy Saving System,
leveraging advanced energy management principles, AI algorithms, and real-time wireless data transmission. PES accurately matches the number of machines in operation with actual demand based on orders, production schedules, and real-time equipment status, enabling automatic energy consumption regulation. This achieves intelligent, dynamic, closed-loop energy management across the entire production process, reducing standard coal consumption per unit by 8%. It drives continuous improvement in energy efficiency and reduces carbon emissions by 16%.
Coating is a core process in cell manufacturing. It is complex, requires high-precision equipment, and demands extremely consistent electrode sheet quality control.
To address the operational complexity of the coating process, we independently developed an intelligent coating control system. It effectively integrates and monitors discrete data from PLCs, CCDs, weight detection, and smart dies, enabling intelligent control and automatic closed-loop correction. AI analyzes collected data on weight, CCD dimensions, coating pump speed, and gap measurements. Through adaptive learning, it provides feedback and optimizes the coating COV model, automatically matching the optimal parameters. This has increased coating efficiency by 100% and improved labor efficiency per coating machine by 40%.
Through deep innovation integrating new energy, AI, and Industry 4.0, AI enables demand-responsive, flexible production lines. With technological innovation, CATL is accelerating the global energy transition and carbon neutrality journey, continuously leading the way forward.